As a member of management, there's nothing worse than being blindsided by an event. To help with this, we've created a notification engine. Welcome, I'm Zach with FTx. Today, we're going to discuss some notification options available in Control Center. In addition to being able to schedule any standard report to be ran and emailed to you on your schedule, be it daily, weekly, monthly, whatever, you can also subscribe to notifications from triggered events. These notifications are set up in Control Center under Maintenance, Settings, Point of Sale Settings. The events are all module-based and include price book, inventory, reconciliation, and administration. Administration events are scheduling and time clock based. This would be things like a missed shift. These notifications are sent via email as soon as the event occurs. This allows you to be in the know immediately. By subscribing to these, it allows you to be much more proactive instead of reactive. It also frees up your free time from running the same reports over and over again. On the price book side, you can be notified of buy down or discount expirations, as well as failed UPC scans. Inventory includes events like unfinished cycle counts and spot checks, variances above a certain dollar threshold, any adjustments or worksheets that have been started but not finished in a certain time frame. On the reconciliation side, triggered events include reconciliation variances and unreconciled shifts, and this includes lottery reconciliations. Well, that's all for this FTx Fact. Now get out there and set up some notifications. Recapture some of your time.